What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to go over how you can get free products and get paid for receiving them and testing them out. So, if you like that idea, go ahead and comment yes in the comment section. Also, hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that green Money Made Easy button in the bottom right hand corner of the video. And ring the bell if you want to get notified when I upload videos on how to make money easy and getting free products, things of that nature. So let's get into it. This right here, this is actually McCormick. This is their website right here. For you guys that don't know, they have different spices and other products like that. As you can see right here, I'm pretty sure you guys might have went to the store and seen them. And they have spices, garlic powder, all different types of various spices. This is their homepage. They have a lot of interesting information on like ways to use black pepper, vegan options, recipes, things of that nature. A lot of different spices and some of their other products, as you can see: oregano, taco seasoning, garlic powder, right, crushed peppers. But you also can sign up to receive some of these products, like when they working on a new recipe as far as a spice or a new product like that. They have a panel here that you can join, and I will put the link in the description. I'm going to click on the page here so you guys can see. This is the panel right here. As you can see, I'm already signed up. Anyway, you just fill like a little application right here. Just click apply and put in like your email address, your name, stuff like that, your address. They'll send you products if you want to try. I'm going to go on my Gmail and show you guys one here I just did recently. As you can see, they have a home use test opportunity here they have for me, and I did sign up. This was like on September 24th, a few days ago, actually 5 days ago, as you can see right there. But I'm getting paid $10 Amazon gift card for receiving the product, testing it, and just giving my opinion on it. And they have different opportunities like this all the time, guys. As you can see, they got the link there. I just had to go click on it and sign up, and they sent me a product. I'm actually using it right now, and I just have to go and let them know what I think of it. And I got paid $10 for doing so. And like I said, they have opportunities like this all the time, guys. So all you do is just go here, sign up, link in the description, and join. And when they have products that they want you to try, you'll get an email like that. And the price is such as the compensation varies. But that's really it, guys. I mean, if you guys like to cook, like different spices when you're cooking, it's a great opportunity to get some free products and also get paid for it. So, like I said, the link in the description, just click on that, sign up, and till the next time, make some money easy. Peace out.